I'm Laura, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I take bacon and make bacon bits the easy way. On this channel, I share my family's favorite recipes. Some of them include bacon, and I also create how to cook videos that are simple like this one. So if that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together a few times a week. To make bacon bits, you want to start out with cooked bacon. You can cook it in a skillet, in a pan, or in the microwave. I have a whole video showing you how I take bacon and use the microwave and make it really crispy in just 2 minutes. I'm simply gonna take the shortcut and do it as well. You want your bacon to be nice and sizzly, crispy like this one. You're gonna take it off your plate onto a paper towel to absorb the rest of that bacon grease. Take another paper towel and blot it out. Now I'm gonna leave this bacon right here and let it cool off, because in order to create bacon bits, you need cooked, crispy bacon that's cool, or at least room temperature. When your bacon cools, it's going to be stiff like that, and that's what you want, to chop it into bits. You wanna take your knife and chop your bacon into coarse pieces like that. Once you have large pieces, you're going to use a rocking motion to chop the bacon back and forth. You can create large bacon bits like this one, or personally, I like tiny little pieces of bacon. You collect your bacon into a nice pile and keep chopping until you have the size you want. Now, one key thing is to put your hand right over the knife like that to help you do the job. And just like that, you have bacon bits that now you can use and sprinkle over your salad, use it into a cheesy bacon recipe or anything else. If you're not using it right away, you can just put it in a zip bag and refrigerate it for up to 3 days. Well, it can be frozen. I don't like to do that because then it's no longer crispy, but you do you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and check the description box for other helpful videos like the 2-minute crispy microwave bacon, and see you next time.